Alright, first things first, go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now look for the 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on them. Within this section, you'll see an option called Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that. On the next screen, you should see an option that says Show Activity Status. Go ahead and tap on that. Here it is. You'll see a toggle switch next to Show Activity Status. If it's currently turned on, it'll likely be blue or green. Simply tap the toggle to switch it off. And just like that, you've turned off your Active Now status. Now, when you browse Instagram, no one will be able to see that you're currently online. So there you have it. A super quick and easy way to take back a little bit of your privacy on Instagram. Keep in mind that when you turn off your activity status, you also won't be able to see when other people are active. It's a two-way street. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or other Instagram tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.